Sora 2 just got released, and it's completely changing the entire AI space. Because of that, it's transforming how creators make AI UGC videos. This entire video right here is generated with just one sentence of prompt. But what's even crazier isn't the video itself, it's what this means for creators and brand owners. Until recently, producing high-quality UGC ads required actors, shipping, and days of waiting and editing. Even with AI tools, you'd spend hours adjusting generations, adding in B-roll, and working around a few templates to make it look right. But with Sora 2, you can take whoever you want, drop them into any setting you can imagine, and generate results that don't just look realistic, they feel like they were filmed by a real person. It adds in all the imperfections that make videos believable, and it does it from just a few simple sentences. Now with the latest update, inside Arcad's AI, you'll find full access to Sora 2 Pro. Don't mix it up with the regular version, it's the ChatGPT model people pay $200 a month for, and it's completely watermark free inside Arcad's AI. In this video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to use Sora 2 Pro inside Arcads to create scroll-stopping, realistic, and high-converting AI UGC ads. So let's start. First, sign up to Arcads. There's a link for that in the description below. Once you've signed up and logged in, this is what the main page looks like. Now to start your first project, you just click on this button right here. That's going to open up the prompting window. Then up top, click on this little drop down and switch it from talking actors into videos. You can now use the Sora 2 Pro version right here in Arcads. I want to make a get ready with me type of video. So I'll paste my prompt in here, and before I hit generate, I'll make sure the duration is set to 12 seconds. Now this part is really important. Sora sometimes cuts videos short if you choose a shorter time frame, so you might end up with something that ends halfway through. That's why I always recommend going with 12 seconds. It just gives Sora enough time to actually finish the video properly. Then I make sure the quality is set to the highest one available, and I want it to be in portrait mode since we're going for a UGC style video. Once that's done, I just click generate and wait for it to render.
I like to start with this lightweight moisturizer. It wakes my skin up without feeling sticky. Pressing it in just feels so soothing in the mornings. A little lip balm, and then I decide what to do with my hair. Today a soft clip, easy and put together.
And yeah, as you can see, the result looks super realistic. The voice sounds totally human. The way she puts the cream on her face, the way she ties up her hair, it all feels so natural. It's wild how realistic it looks. Let me show you how much better the Sora 2 Pro model is compared to the normal version. And by any means, this one isn't bad. It's still pretty good in terms of creativity and overall quality, but the main difference you'll notice right away is the resolution. It's just not as sharp as the Pro one. Sora Pro gives you full HD quality, smoother motion, and the lighting just looks way more natural. Honestly, both models are really good, but the Sora 2 Pro model is the one that makes it truly usable for real ads or client work. You can use that one right now to make sales for your products and for your clients. Now let's move on to something more actionable. For this one, I'm using a serum bottle image I found online. Then in the bottom left, I'll upload it as the base image. Now for the prompt, you actually don't need to overcomplicate it with Sora. You can go really simple. So for mine, I'm just going to write a Gen Z woman filming a get ready with me, applying this serum and talking about how great it is. Literally nothing else. I'll double check that the time frame is 12 seconds, and once that's ready, I'll hit generate. Keep in mind, Sora 2 is pretty packed right now, so it may take slightly longer to generate compared to other tools. That's totally normal, just give it a little time to do its thing since it'll be worth it. But with that being said, let's take a look at the result.
Okay, this is the retinol serum I've been obsessed with lately from Sumax, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it. When I say my skin drinks this up, look at that slip. It feels so lightweight but super hydrating.
And the result came out looking great. I'm amazed at how real this get ready with me routine feels. It doesn't feel AI generated at all. It looks like a real woman filming herself, just talking casually while getting ready. It feels so natural. It's almost a little creepy. I'd say the serum bottle looks exactly like the real thing. Like she actually bought it and filmed the ad herself. Now I want to test something completely different. For this next one, I've got an image of a binocular holder, something a lot of hunters use. I just want to show you how strong Sora 2 is when it comes to creating totally different scenes and products. So I'm going to import it the same way as before. And for the prompt, I'll write a hunter filming a hunting vlog with a selfie stick, promoting this binocular holder, talking about how great it is and how comfortable it feels. Same process applies here. I'll hit generate, wait a bit, and let's take a look at the result.
You spend full days glassing like I do? Comfort matters. This Moxwell harness has been a game changer. The straps sit wide and flat so they don't bite into your shoulders, and that mesh keeps air moving. The pouch rides high, out of the way of my pack belt, but it's still easy to pop open.
And again, the same thing. Results are just insanely good. He looks like a real outdoorsman who's been hiking through the woods all day, relaxed, comfortable, and confident. His gear feels totally authentic, like he's genuinely out there exploring. The lighting, the forest backdrop, even the way he holds himself, everything just feels raw and real. His voice has an easygoing, genuine tone that really fits his personality. What really stands out to me is how real it all feels. Normally, to create an ad like this, you'd have to hire an actual hunter, which is a challenge on its own. Get him out on a real hunt and make him film it all manually. It's wild when you think about the price tag a production like that would normally have, but using Sora in ArcAds, we created it in just seconds. The possibilities with this are actually wild. And while those results are really great, Sora 2 can handle way more than just some simple get ready with me routines. For our next generation, I want to make an ad for this watch right here. I want to make a viral, visually catchy video of a guy moving all around his house, from the roof to the basement to his bedroom, while talking about this watch. I'll upload my image first, then I'll write this as my prompt. A Gen Z guy talks excitedly about the black LED fitness watch. Use reference image. As he speaks, the background keeps changing, from the roof of his house to the basement to his bedroom and other places. The camera follows him naturally. His words stay focused on the watch, not the background. The same watch design stays the same in every shot, clear on his wrist. And this ad came out looking really cool.
Check this out, this is my new LED fitness watch and I'm kind of obsessed. It's super minimal, all matte black, but the moment you tap the face, you get that clean digital time right there. No buttons, no extra fluff, just a smooth band and a crazy bright display you can see anywhere.
Right away, I saw how spot on the watch is. It looks exactly like the product photo, and I love how natural the guy sounds when he talks about it. It's casual, has a believable tone you'd hear from a friend showing off something he actually bought. What's crazy is that he even touches on the key features I had in mind, without me ever writing a word of copy for him. The settings are perfect too. He switches between different locations that all look like normal, everyday rooms. His bedroom looks like someone actually lives in it. A little messy, LED lights glowing in the corner, just super real. Everything together makes the video look real, giving the ad a natural, fun vibe. For this next ad, I wanted to try a completely new angle. This time I'm going to make an ad for this plane pillow. For this one, I want to go with a travel vlog style. So my idea is to have a girl take us on a mini journey, starting at home while she's packing, then to the plane, and finally all the way to Bali. For the prompt, I'm going to write this. A Gen Z girl films a relaxed travel vlog about her trip to Bali. Scene 1, in her bedroom, she packs a suitcase and shows a soft travel pillow she plans to bring. Scene 2, on the airplane. She talks casually about how comfortable the pillow is while resting her head on it. Scene 3, in Bali outside her villa, she still has the pillow around her neck and laughs that it's so comfy she forgot to take it off. Each scene plays in order, with smooth cuts, her outfit and pillow stay identical, and her dialogue naturally fits the setting. Then I'll hit generate and let's take a look at what came out.
I just picked up this super soft travel pillow and it's definitely coming to Bali with me. We're mid-flight right now and honestly this thing is saving my neck. Literally. It's like a little cloud. Made it to Bali. I still have the pillow on because I forgot it was there. It's that comfy.
First off, I've got to say, this one is crazy consistent. The pillow looks exactly like the one from the image. It doesn't have any weird morphing or distortion anywhere, and visually, everything just matched perfectly. The bedroom scene looks like a normal American room, and the airplane shot feels completely believable. Then when she's in that villa in Bali, the lighting and atmosphere look absolutely perfect. Everything feels real, from the shifting light outside the windows to how her hair moves slightly in the breeze. If you showed this to someone without telling them it's AI, they'd have no idea. So yeah, another really strong result here. For the final result, this is where Sora really shines. I'm planning an ad where a person's running and talking about this digital watch I came across online. But while she's running, the environment keeps changing from one place to another. One moment she's running through a forest, then suddenly she's in a desert, and in the next shot she's up in snowy mountains, all while still running and talking about the watch. Then she finally ends up back in her neighborhood. Now this idea is a little bit different from the usual UGC ad, but it's perfect for showing you just how much you can do with Sora 2. So for the prompt, I'm going with this: Gen Z girl promoting a digital watch while running. She starts jogging through a quiet American neighborhood. Then the environment switches. She's running in a desert, then in snowy mountains, and finally ends up back in the neighborhood, smiling and holding up the watch, showing the glowing digital display. Then I'll just hit generate, and let's take a look at the result.
I run for the headspace, the view, and the feeling of getting exactly where I need to be. Whatever the terrain, quiet streets, desert heat, or mountain cold, this watch keeps up with me.
And honestly, the result came out exactly how I imagined it. The most amazing thing about Sora 2 is how it finally turns what you imagine into something that looks completely real. It's not just close, it nails every detail. From the setting to the lighting, it feels like I literally pulled a thought out of my head and turned it into a video. That's seriously next level. It makes you appreciate how far this technology has come and how much power it gives us creatively. But the wildest part is that you can access all this power directly inside ArcAds, plus all the creative tools that come with it. You can refine your generation generations using options like unboxing POV or try show your app, which lets you upload a product or app image and show it directly in the video. Unboxing POV is the go-to for realistic product videos where a person's seen unboxing your product on camera. You can pair it with Sora 2 Pro to make natural finished ad campaigns that are entirely AI generated. And when you combine all of this, Sora 2 Pro, unboxing POV, show your app, and everything else Arcadz gives you, you basically have a tool that can print out AI UGC ads that look just as good as the real ones without ever needing to hire or talk to a single UGC creator. Now you know how to make realistic, high converting AI UGC ads with Sora 2 in Arcadz AI. And honestly, that's the crazy part, because now this kind of content isn't just for big brands or people with production teams anymore. You can create your own ads that look like genuine creator content, and it works for pretty much any niche. Inside Arcadz AI, you get access to Sora 2 Pro. Plus, with all the other Arcadz tools, you can take your ads to the next level while saving a ton of money. Rather than paying hundreds for creator-made ads, you can create nearly the same thing with Sora for less than $10. So if you want to create UGC ads that look amazing and actually deliver results, head to the link below and sign up for Arcadz AI. And I'll see you in the next one.